You clicked on this video because you want superhuman grip strength, not just stronger hands, but the kind of grip where you can carry all the groceries in one trip without your fingers giving out, where you can open any jar without asking for help, where your handshake actually means something. Listen, your grip is probably your weakest link right now, and it's destroying your independence as you age. But I'm about to fix that. 5 exercises, that's all it takes. Let me start with something that looks ridiculous but delivers insane results. You're gonna grab 2 weight plates from the gym, small ones to start. 5 or 10 pounders work fine. Now press them together with the smooth sides facing out. This is critical. Smooth sides mean your fingers get zero help from friction. You're holding these plates using nothing but your thumb pressing against your fingers. This is called pinch grip, and I guarantee you've never trained it properly in your entire life. Here's what makes this absolutely brilliant for joint pain relief and everyday strength. When you strengthen your pinch grip, you're building the exact hand strength needed for real-world tasks. Opening jars becomes easier. Carrying grocery bags stops being a nightmare. Your hands start working the way they're supposed to again. Elite grip athletes can hold 90 pounds using just their fingertips. When normal people see this, they think it's impossible. Then they try holding even 20 pounds, and their hand gives out in seconds. Start with 10 to 15-second holds. If your hand shakes before that, go lighter. This is about building real functional strength, not ego lifting. Do 3 to 5 sets per hand. Rest about a minute between sets. Work up to 30-second holds with your starting weight, then add more plates. This exercise alone will transform how your hands perform in daily life. And because you're building real injury prevention strength, your risk of dropping things decreases dramatically. After a few weeks, you'll notice tasks that used to frustrate you become effortless. That's the power of training your grip the right way. Now let's talk about hanging. When's the last time you actually hung from a bar and tested how long you could hold on? Most people avoid this completely because the answer is embarrassing. There's a test they do in Special Forces selection. They make recruits hang from a pull-up bar. Just hang there. The average person drops in under 30 seconds. Their fingers open up, their forearms give out, and they're standing there wondering how something that looked so easy became impossible so fast. But the soldiers who make it through selection, they hang for 2, 3, sometimes 4 minutes straight. Same bar, same test. Completely different outcome. Think about when your grip actually fails you in real life. It's never during a single quick movement. It's when you're holding something heavy and time keeps ticking. Your forearms start burning and your fingers start opening. Eventually, your body makes the decision for you. That's support grip failing, and it's costing you independence as you age. Here's what you're gonna do. Find a pull-up bar at the gym or use a sturdy tree branch at the park. Grab it with both hands and just hang. 60 seconds is your target. Do 3 to 5 hangs, maximum time every single set. When your grip fails and you drop, that's the end of the set. Rest 2 minutes between hangs. This builds the kind of grip endurance that translates directly to everyday activities. Carrying luggage becomes easier. Holding onto railings for balance training feels more secure. You're literally building fall prevention strength. Once you can hit 60 seconds consistently, add weight with a dip belt. Let's move to towel pull-ups. Take a towel, drape it over the pull-up bar, and grab both ends. Now try to pull yourself up. The first thing you'll notice is how much harder you have to squeeze just to stay attached. Your fingers can't fully close around it. This is exactly what makes it so effective. Most people can knock out 10 pull-ups on a regular bar. But grab a towel and their max drops to 3. Maybe 4 if they're legitimately strong. There's this old boxing gym in Philadelphia where trainers had a brutal test for every new fighter. They'd hang towels over bars and make cocky fighters realize they couldn't even do 3 reps. Why? Because a punch is only as strong as the grip behind it. The same principle applies to everyday life. If your grip can't handle unusual shapes and sizes, you're setting yourself up for problems down the road. Start with 3 to 5 sets of however many reps you can manage with clean form. If it's too difficult, use a resistance band for assistance or just do towel hangs. Hold the fabric and hang for time, building endurance before attempting the actual pull. This exercise builds ridiculous grip strength while also improving your core stability. It's teaching your hands to adapt to different grips, which is exactly what you need for real-world strength challenges. After a month of consistent training, you'll notice your grip doesn't fail you anymore in situations where it used to give out. These grip exercises are incredibly powerful, but they're just one piece of the puzzle. If you're serious about not just adding years to your life, but adding life to your years, waking up without pain, moving like you did 10 years ago, and staying independent for decades to come, You need a complete approach that addresses strength training, mobility work, and recovery strategies all working together. That's exactly why I created Reboot Your Body, a detailed blueprint that walks you through the exact system I use with people over 40 who are tired of quick fixes that never last and want real permanent results. You'll find the link in the description below, and it could be exactly what you've been searching for. Here's something most people never think about. Your hand gets really good at gripping whatever size object you train with. If you only ever grab normal barbells, your fingers learn exactly how to wrap around that specific thickness. A regular barbell is about 1 inch thick. Your fingers close around it easily. But what happens when you try to hold something way thicker, like a fat rake handle or trying to grip a thick tree branch, or moving furniture? Your fingers don't close anymore. That's where thick bar training comes in. Strongmen use axle bars about 2 inches thick instead of normal 1 inch bars. When you switch to thick bars, your max weight drops by 20% immediately. Not because you're weaker, but because your grip is doing triple the work. And here's the beautiful payoff. Train with thick bars for a few weeks, then go back to normal bars. They feel like pencils. Your regular grip becomes insanely strong because you've been training at a huge disadvantage. This directly translates to improved mobility when handling everyday objects. Your range of motion in your hands and wrists actually improves. Here's what you do. If your gym has an axle bar, use it for deadlifts, rows, or static holds. Start at 70% of your normal weight and progress slowly. If not, get fat grips. They're rubber sleeves that slide onto any bar and make it thick instantly. Put them on your rows, pull-ups, or deadlifts. Train with thick bars twice a week. Pick 1 or 2 exercises per session. Don't use them for everything, or your grip will give out too fast. This is functional core strength in action. You're building capabilities that transfer directly to how you live your life. Now let me show you Bruce Lee's secret weapon. There's a photo of him that doesn't make sense at first. He's not punching or doing a flying kick. He's sitting calmly with his hand buried in a wooden bucket, moving it in slow circles. That bucket was filled with rice, and he did this every single day. Bruce Lee could bend steel bars with his grip. He could do one-armed push-ups using just 2 fingers, and his secret weapon wasn't exotic. It was a bucket of rice from the grocery store. This method goes back centuries to Shaolin monks who needed hands that could strike like hammers but move like water. They discovered something modern grip training completely misses. Your hand isn't just designed to crush things, it's designed to move in 1,000 subtle ways. Your hand has 27 individual bones and 34 separate muscles. Every finger can move independently, but when's the last time you actually trained them that way? Fill a 5-gallon bucket with 25 to 50 pounds of uncooked rice. Plunge your hands to the bottom, then start moving. Open your hands wide, close them into fists, spread your fingers apart. Then grab the rice and squeeze hard. Rotate your wrists in circles in both directions. Stab each finger down 1 at a time. The rice creates resistance from every direction. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes, 3 or 4 times a week. Your forearms will burn in the first minute, but after 2 weeks, your hands won't tire as fast. After a month, everyday tasks that used to exhaust your grip become effortless. This costs about $15 to set up. Plus, the movement patterns directly support inflammation reduction in your hands and wrists. You're building grip strength while also promoting better circulation and joint health. This is the kind of training that supports healthy aging in a way most exercises completely miss. Before you start training though, let me save you from stupid mistakes everyone makes. Mistake number 1 is training grip every single day. Your grip recovers slower than any other muscle group. Those tiny tendons in your hands need serious recovery time. 3 times a week maximum. Any more than that and you're not building strength. You're building tendinitis. As we age, recovery becomes even more important. Don't rush this process. Mistake number 2 is going too heavy, too fast. Start lighter than you think you need to. If your form breaks down or you can't hit the target time, the weight is too heavy, period. Grip strength is built over months of consistent training, not one hero workout. This is about healthy aging and building lasting capabilities, not proving something to nobody. And final warning, don't train grip before your main lifts. Train grip at the end of your workout or on separate days. Your grip should support your training, not sabotage it. Follow these rules and you'll develop grip strength that actually improves your quality of life. You'll move with confidence, you'll maintain your independence, you'll handle real-world strength challenges that used to defeat you. Your hands will work the way they're supposed to, supporting you in everything you do.